Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Ayan, good morning everyone. I'm going to Onslow. Today is Saturday, 12th of April. And the time check is 11:11. So our weather for today is about 16 and the highest is 12. So ayun, ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog na dahil ay nakapag-video dahil lazy ako today. And after ng breakfast, nag-breakfast naman ako. Uy, nakapag-breakfast ako. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Mga tanghali na everyone. Tanghali na dito. So, at ako ay wala lang. Nag-edit, nag-upload, nag-everything and everything. Tapos, ayun. Now, ang care group namin is 2:30 sa Onslow yun. So, let's go everyone. Join tayo. And then, TD of the day, summer today, mainit pero malamig dahil sa hangin. Kaya, yun lang everyone. See you when I see you like during my journey going to Onslow. I'm alone. Wala akong mga akay-akay today. Dahil sila ay galing sa kanilang trabaho straight going there. So, ayun. Half day sila pag Saturday lahat. Whole day pag Sunday. Yan ang everyone. See you when I see you. Good afternoon or good morning pa rin everyone. Time check is 11:35. So I am here at Green Park and I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes for the Heathrow. 10 minutes for the Heathrow. I'm going to take the train going to Heathrow. Yeah. Heathrow 4. So, ayun lang everyone. See you later. See you later. And later. Ayan everyone. Waiting for 7 minutes more. Oh yeah, 7 minutes more. So, ayan. Medyo hindi busy ang station na to. Kaya dito muna tayo for 7 minutes waiting for the Heathrow Terminal 4. And although ako ay papunta laang sa Australia lang. So, very far. Very near in Heathrow Terminal. Okay, bye. See you later, everyone. Bye everyone. I'm already here by my train. I'm already here at Australia and it's mainit dito. Pero okay lang dahil that's life. Weather. Sometimes mainit, sometimes malamig. Yeah. And see you later at the care group, everyone. Ayan, nakalabas na ako ng train, everyone. Station Osterley. So, daan tayo dito sa basement. Underground. At, naisip ko kung dito ako sa gabi, parang walang ilaw eh. So, as may hagdan na ganito, ala, ay di dahan-dahan na lang. Ang ganda ng init ng araw. Super sa init. So, naiwan ako ng bus. Hindi, mag-bus na lang ako. Tawad ako maglakad. Ayan na. Dito yung bus stop. So, libre naman tayo. So, the bus stop is there. The bus, I mean the bus. Wait, hold on. Ayan, that one. Everyone, dito tayo sa likod. Naupo. Para ano. Tapos, next stop. Tanda naman ako maglakad. Thank you, driver. So, that's it. Dito na tayo. Bye! See you later. After 2 hours or 3 hours, we're gonna stay here to Sister Mercy's house. And Maymay, Sister Maymay. Sa Gresham Road tayo. Ayun lang everyone. Ang ganda ng araw. Grabe. Pero bawal tanggalin ang sombrero. At masisira ang pes. Yeah, although mayroon naman akong dalang payong. Pero no. Yun ang gandang bulaklak. Wow! Ang lalaki ng flowers. Grabe. Flowers talaga. Yeah. Ganda. Katuwa, diba? Everyone. Tapos andito ako. Dito rin meron. Ayan. Sa tapat. Ganda na. Tapos, ay, dito rin meron. Doon sa dadaanan ko. Yan, everyone. Ang masigabong palakpakan dahil sa maraming bulaklak. Diba? Ang init ngayon na. Ang weather dito. Oh my. That's the weather here in ayun. 18. Super. Ang ganda oh. Double yung flowers niya. Ayan oh. Galing oh. Doon pa ako next sa corner. Kakaliwa, everyone. Kasi ayan na yung bahay niya eh. Yun, umiikot lang. Hello everyone! Andito na kami, everyone.
Dala kong bag. Pang ano yan?
Pang beach? Magbi-beach ka? Ito si may-ari ng bahay oh. Si Sister Mercy, oh. Busy, oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Grabe kang magluto. Isang kawa. Oh, my. At take note, ha. In fairness, puro salad master yan. Oh, talaga naman. Grabe. Yan ang kain namin. Kain tayo, everyone, for lunch. And
Bibitayin ako. Bibitayin.
naungunan kaming kumain. From Hounslow going here. We on time, everyone. Finally, we're done. In 2 minutes? Oh. Sharon. Good evening, everyone. It's 7:30 na. Yan, nandito na kami. Finally, nakauwi na sa bahay. Sakit ng binti ko. Ayan, everyone. And then, good night, God bless, and I love you all. Kailangan matulog ng maaga para maaga ang gising bukas, everyone.